Hello students, this is video tutorial for Module 8 SAM Project 1A Argos Financial. Do not forget to do the Getting Started section by saving the document, changing the 1 at the end to a 2. In respect of time, I have already done that. So let's get right into the project steps. Step 1. You are a financial analyst at Argos Financial, a full-service bank and insurance institution. You and a colleague are collaborating on a memo to your manager that summarizes the data collected in a recent series of customer surveys. You already have received revisions from your colleague. So step 1A says, incorporate changes from your manager as follows. Combine the revisions from the document, support, blah, 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 DK. So to combine, we're going to go to Review, Compare, Combine. If all this is not showing, click the More button right here. First, we're going to choose this as the original document. And then the revised document is where we're going to go to Downloads. And look for the one that has DK in it right here. Make sure Show Changes in Original Document. This is step 1B. So make sure that's checked, then click OK. Then we're going to turn off Track Changes, and that finishes step 1. Step 2, we're going to resolve the track changes in the document as follows. So we should be right up here at the top. So you're going to accept and move to next, and you can see it removed the placeholder and put in Argos Financial. Now I have a date change here that I don't think you'll have in yours, I'm not sure. But we want to get down to the e-surveys. So 2B is accept the next track change, which is from Julia Batista, and changes e-surveys to surveys. So we're going to accept it and move to next. But then 2C says reject the next track change, which inserts via email because it's repetitious. So we're going to go to reject and move to next. Now 2D says accept the remaining changes in the document because they improve or correct the writing. So we're going to click accept all changes. So that finishes up step 2. Step 3, in the donut chart, use account types for the chart title. That's all there is to step 3. Step 4, we're going to embed data from an Excel workbook as follows to include a table Julia created. So we're going to open the workbook, support, blah, 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 trust. We are going to copy the cells A2 through C10. Make sure that your Enable Edit is on, or it will not do this. We are going to use Paste Special. So we're going to make sure your cursor's there. Go Home, Paste Special, Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. Click OK. And voila, the information is in there. And we can close the trust spreadsheet. That completed step 4. Step 5, insert a chart as follows. To comply with the request, Deanna Kahn inserted below the customer problems table. So down here you see she put insert chart showing the table data. We're going to highlight, whoop, I missed the bracket there. Okay, so we've selected the text and we're going to go to Insert, Chart. It defaults to clustered column. Click OK. This was step 5A. So we just finished 5A. 5B, copy the customer problems table and then paste it into the chart spreadsheet window. So this is the chart spreadsheet window. So we're going to go up here, copy the chart. We're going to click here, click it in. We're going to make this a little bit bigger. So we copied the customer problems table and pasted it into the chart spreadsheet window. We just did that, 5B. Now, 5C is remove the percent changed data series from the chart and then close the chart spreadsheet window. So we need to get this right here and just move it in so that now you can see that it's only taking this data, not the percent change data. Okay. So now close this. All right, so we're good. We just did 5C. Now 5D is down here in this chart. We're going to delete the chart title because it's redundant since we know it goes with that table. So we just did 5D. We're moving on to 6. 6, we're going to do some formatting. So 6A is apply style 6. So chart design. 1, 2, 3, 6 right here, style 6. 6B is they want to change the color to monochromatic palette 1 to be consistent with the document. And 5C is to add a border with gray accent 5. You can see now there's a border on that chart, and that was 6C. Now we're going to link a chart from an Excel workbook as follows to compare customer responses about problem resolution. 7A is open the workbook, support, blah, 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 resolution. So here we go back to downloads, resolution, and we're going to copy this chart. And then we're going to go back here and we're going to paste and it's use destination theme and link the data. Okay, you can see the little link in the icon. And then we can close the spreadsheet. Then they want us to change this to a donut. So this is step 8. Change the chart type of the problem resolutions chart to a donut chart, which is a type of pie chart to match the account types chart. And that's it. That is all there is to project for module A, SAM project 1A, or module 8, SAM project 1A. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Have a good week.